Hey darling, I'm doing this for Kyla because I'm sure I've just told her that I've got a one-legged seagull. She must think I'm insane. Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Yeah. Where's my boy? I love you. Lee? I thought that was Lee. I heard your voice then, Sharon. I thought you were Lee. I can hear you, sweetheart. Oh, Mummy loves him. Mummy loves him. Yeah, she loves him. She really loves. Where's my Jilly? Jilly, look, your brother's home. Come and say hello to your brother. Have you got some food there, Arthur? There, let me feed him. So, all right, come here then. What? I know. Come out. Move. Look, he'll have you. There you go. Them other birds up there, they hate you. You know that, don't you? They think you're a little spoilt boy. But because he's only got one leg, I'll look after him. Because it's wrong, innit? You know, to leave him. It's wrong, Sharon, innit?
It is.
And you've seen the new one.
Yeah.
I'm going to get called a crazy seagull.
I've seen plenty of cats around.
I know, well, I woke up at 2 o'clock this morning and I remembered I hadn't put his cover over the cage. So, look at my boy.
Yeah.
I don't like to see, look at his little leg. That's a brave seagull.
It is.
It is, innit?
Yeah. Very brave.
He's got no parents and he's only got one leg.
Yeah. And he goes out and he flies and...
He's spirit. Look at the colour. What have you rubbed that dirt on him on purpose so I'll bath him? Look at the colour of this dog. What the fuck is that? He's been playing with a stick on his back. Really? Look at the... Do you want a bath? Are you having a bath? Are you having a bath as well? Because you've got gravy all down your neck for some reason.
Right, lovely.
I got in bed last night. She's got gravy all over her ears, around her neck. What's that, hon?
Fresh branches have got a lot of green in it.
Okay. Green?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right, I can see. Yeah, the green on his back. Okay, all right. Yeah.
I'm going back over, right?
All right, Sharon Trollo. Hiya, son. You're growing every day, aren't you? You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Anyway, Kyla, I did this for you. I'm sure you think I'm insane, but this is what goes on at my house. Oh, and all these as well. They all think I'm the mum too. It's absolutely crazy. Yes, I know. Gives a kiss. I'll see you in a bit. I'll send this to you. Bye, love. Bye.